First, apply a filter and a decoration by swiping left. And then click on the Stickers tab. You can choose from Giphies, stickers, or your Bitmoji. Search whatever you desire. There are endless possibilities. At last, you can begin to decorate your stories. It's so easy for everyone. Create things you think. And now, use the brush tool to draw or scribble. It can help complement your stickers. These little details can make any story and streak look extremely cute.